Hello kids, hello again. Today you are going to do a craft, an activity with your hands. That is a craft. This craft is a Fanboys craft. So let's start. Let's see what you're going to do. First, what is Fanboys? You're thinking, what is that? What is Miss Alessandra talking about? Fanboys. Fanboys. It's an acronym, as you can see. Fanboys, it means that the first letter of Fanboys has a different meaning. Okay? Each letter, Fanboys, is the first letter of other words. And these words that are here are called conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions. In class, when we are on the Zoom session, we are going to learn these words and we are going to learn how to use them, and we are going to practice how to use these words, these conjunctions, okay? But today, what I want you to do is to think of the word fanboys so you can remember each of these words. Let's see. For and nor. Nor is new for you. But, or, yet, and so. So these words in English that are very, very short have a meaning. You know, for example, and. I like pizza and lasagna. Right? You know and. You use a lot the word and. So remember, fanboys, for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. Today, you have to remember what is the meaning of fanboys and these words, the coordinating conjunctions. So we're going to do a craft. Please take out the following materials. First, a black and white template. Template is this, okay? Black marker, crayons, and scissors. So, let's see how you are going to get this template. You're going to go to classroom, grammar and conversation, 5th grade. And you are going to see this activity. You have the PDF here. You have the PDF here. Fanboys fan template. It's a PDF. You click on it. And there you go. There you have the 2 pages. So, you are going to print the 2 pages. Okay? If you do not have a printer, you are going to copy this. Okay, I'm going to repeat. Lo van a imprimir. Y si no tienen impresora, lo van a copiar, lo van a pasar en 2 hojas blancas. Okay, that's what you have to do. You have to print it out. And this is the fanboys. Look, fanboys. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. This is the acronym. Here it says compound sentences. On the other one, compound sentences, and we have the letters of fanboys right here. You have to copy the fan because this is a fan. The fan is what we use when we are hot. We move it when we feel that it's very hot. We move it and we feel air. This is a fan, look. But this fan needs some color. So, you're going to print it and then you are going to color it. Okay, with your crayons or markers. You are going to color it and you are going to write in the number 1 the letters here. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. You're going to copy like it is here. You can use other colors, yes. And then this one, we are going to copy and we are going to make sentences in class in the Zoom session. Okay? Yes, you have to paste it also in these, in paper. It can be construction paper, it can be any color you want. It doesn't have to be blue. Any color, okay? Any color that you want, any color that you like. If you want, you can use blue, pink, yellow, orange, green, purple, okay? Whatever color you like. So, for the Zoom session that we have on Wednesday, you need to have these pasted on your color paper and you need to have your fans. These are 2 fans. This is the fan number 1, the fan number 2. So you need to have the fan with the letters here with the conjunctions. And this one, we are going to do it together in the class. If you have any other question, you can text me or you can write me. Okay, you can send me an email. I will see you guys on Zoom tomorrow. Okay, bye-bye.